Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I never did intro for this video, so here's the intro. So we were supposed to go to this new beach, Ponce Inlet. But you see, Gabe messed it up, which you'll see in the video. So we ended up going to Ormond and then Flag. It's a chaotic vlog, so you're just gonna have to see. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Guys, we're almost to 100 subscribers. Can we just get there for me by summer? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Let's get it. Here. Take it. Take
it. What am I taking? Alright, what's up guys? Good morning YouTube. Me and Ryan, we're heading out, and we got Lulu here, heading out to Ponce Inlet. You know, waves are looking sharp today. So we're heading out, you know, today's the day. So, a little post-storm surfing. Let's get it. Here you go, Ryan.
Well, I guess you know the beach we're going to now because I didn't say it yet.
And you guys might see a little snook action. If I could get on a snook, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I had a redfish, a snook, maybe even a little, maybe a surprise 40 plus snook. I don't know. Yeah. Big snook.
But we're going to surf too, and we're going to go on that little bridge. If there's any pictures, I'll put them right here.
And then we're going to be surfing with our good friend Jamie O'Brien.
Oh yeah, totally.
He's going to be out there.
1000%.
So we're meeting up with him.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to Ormond now.
Alright dude, so we're heading over to Ponce Inlet, you know what I'm saying? Waves are going to be on fire, snook light was going to be good.
Get to the point.
And then we're heading over there, big storm comes over. It's storming, lightning.
Okay, he's lying.
Starts
no, you messed up. He looked up the board shop. Shh, I gotta talk. Shh. The board shop he looked up is closed today. So like an idiot, he made us drive all the way over here for that board shop and they're closed. So now we have to go back. Yeah, and gas is expensive. So now we gotta go 20 minutes all the way back to Ormond. And hopefully we get a surf day there, I guess. I don't even know.
We are.
This is chaotic. Are you sorry?
Yeah, I'm sorry to the fans. I'm sorry to Lulu. Making her drive everywhere. But if you guys want a drink, I have a drink if you all want one.
I want to pee.
So we got the boards, right?
I know, I don't want to sponsor.
This is the situation, right here.
We're all in this together.
Boards are all like this.
You!
We're gonna go get lunch now. The waves were horrible. They were really choppy, right? Right, Gabe? The waves are really choppy.
Oh, I need to get my phone to shoot a video.
Yeah. Okay. Can they hear now? Yeah. So we're here at Flagler now because, you know, what's that other beach called?
We're over at Ormond.
Ormond sucks.
The
Okay, well, at least today.
Terrible, man. They're terrible.
You can't hit anything.
So now we're over at Flagler for a better break.
A little better. It's still cold.
I'm seeing some nice ones out there.
Let's give it a try. I'm not gonna strip on camera, so hold on. I'm low-key kind of nervous because like it's really cloudy out and it's really cold. The water is freezing, dude.
It's not straight going, it's like a mix. Feels so heavy. Either that or it's weak.
No, well, they were on the thingy. They were on the seatbelt.
Hey, Gabby, do you still want this?
Huh?
Do you still want this?
Yeah, for later.
Oh, okay.
Lulu, we're gonna go out, okay?
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, just stay in here and charge your phone if you want. You can charge it.
Okay.
He didn't charge. I think the car has to.
This is the aftermath. How do we feel?
Oh, ow, hold on.
I'm beat.
Got a stick on my foot.
Yeah, hold on, wait. You're what?
I feel I'm beat. It's hard.
I'm beat. I'm shivering.
That was a hard session out there.
Oh yeah,
And, you know,
but it was a good one.
pretty good, better than surfing in Ormond.
Yeah, Ormond sucks.
We better break over here now.
Wait, we hit two hit 2 sessions today. That's pretty good.
Pretty time.
It's pretty good.
But this one, you know, what's up, guys? I got a swim with the body out there, you know? Freaking, I'm gonna say bull.
It's not moving now. We're out here at the ponds, you know.
What's up, guys?
We're doing what is this?
The mini rod challenge.
Mini rod challenge. Yeah, we'll see
Oh, this is gonna be
in the
hard.
next clips if we get anything.